Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to enable beta updates in iPhone iOS 26. So guys, if you are using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and you want to turn on beta updates to install and download iOS 26 beta, so in this video I will show you that how can you enable beta updates. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So there are two ways to enable your beta updates. The first one is you have to open settings, click on general and click on software update. And guys, here you will see the option of beta updates. Click on it. From here you need to turn on beta iOS 26 beta, developer beta or public beta. You can select anyone. And guys, the another way to enable your beta updates is you have to open internet browser, and here you need to search beta profiles.dev. So guys, now you have to open this and you have to scroll it down, and here you will see developer. If you want to enable developer beta, select this one, and if you want to select public, you will see public beta. And guys, when iOS 26 will be released, then you will see here. So simply you have to click on iOS 26 beta profiles and you have to click on install profile and click on install. And guys, after this you have to allow, and after this automatically beta updates will be installed in your iPhone. So guys, these are the two ways to do enable beta updates. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.